This is Michelle's, Mary's, and Vin's group, and we are working on the bacterium project. The objective of the project is to count the bacterium in a set image, and then find the positions and dimensions of each bacterium in the picture. The main task of our group is to select a region of the picture containing only one bacterium. Then, based off that one bacterium, the program finds the dimensions and positions of every bacterium. The program begins by clearing every function and variable and warning that is to appear on MATLAB. For task 1, we load the image of bacteria in a set size. For task 2, we set the title Photo Micrograph of Bacteria Stained with Dye above the graph. For task 3, we use an input function so that the user can isolate one bacterium in the picture by selecting the left upper corner to the right lower corner. This is more user-friendly than trying to find ranges for bacteria in the X and Y. This was accomplished by using a while loop to be able to isolate the selected bacterium and isolate it in the picture of its own image so that the user will be able to see the one isolated bacterium. For example, we go through a binary image, we increase the contrast and fill the image to get a clear picture. Then for task 4, we use the if loop for the user to determine if there is one bacterium in the image. Otherwise, it will repeat process. For task 5, we use the region props function to determine the parameters of selected bacteria. We also fit an ellipse outline over the selected bacterium, which shows that our parameters given are accurate. It can be seen here. The parameterization was done by using the parametric form in ellipse by doing a for loop. We ended up doing task 7 before task 6. Task 7 returns the bacteria count by using a for loop to outline each bacterium in the picture. It adds up the number of bacteria while also finding all the parameters. Task 6 isolates all bacterium that are identical to the initially selected bacteria according to major and minor axes. And then we used the find and we kept every similar bacteria in a picture that is displayed here. By inserting it into the MATLAB command window, and I will demonstrate how it works. The program first clears everything, and it pops up with the ginput function to isolate one of the bacteria by selecting the left upper corner and the right lower corner. Then it will ask if there is one bacteria in figure 2. As you can see, there is. So you will insert yes, a Y for yes. Now it puts in all the parameters of that one bacteria, and it defines all the locations for the other bacteria in these two pictures. This picture, as you can see, shows each bacteria in the picture, and it each correspond to a number location, which corresponds to its parameters here. You are given the centroid location, the orientation, and the major and minor axes. Then you are giving the bacteria count, and it also gives you all the identical bacteria to that one you selected, which there is 21 identical bacteria to the select one, and they are all plotted on figure 4. And as you can see on figure 2, there is a fitted ellipse around to show that the parameters are correct. And that is the end of our project.